Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
And this is Delina. Welcome back to Tigrinya Tuesday. We're so excited to have you back. Say hi, Delina. Say hi. Thank you for all the support, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and leave us a comment. Today, we're gonna be learning about things that we do in the house. All right, guys, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so today I'm gonna teach Robil about chores in the house. So I'm gonna say the English and then Tigrinya. Then you're gonna repeat the Tigrinya part.
All right.
You ready?
Harai.
Harai.
Owa.
Nufa.
Owa.
Chores eyo geza.
Eyo geza.
And shower mehetsabi nebsi.
Mehetsabi nebsi.
Laundry bet hetsabo.
Bet hetsabo.
Clean tsoroi.
Zoroi.
Kitchen kishine.
Kishine.
Cook kishani.
Kishani.
Pot etro.
Etro.
Breakfast kursi.
Korsi.
Lunch misah.
Mesa.
Dinner dirar.
Derar.
Vacuum. Vacuum.
Huh?
Vacuum says vacuum.
Oh.
We don't have vacuum. What the hell?
What is vacuum?
Vacuum.
Vacuum. Okay, I think I have that one.
Oh, dust. Mechoster.
Mechoster.
Trash. Guahaf.
Guahaf.
Okay. Please.
Please, I know. Bejaha.
Thank you.
Yaanyele.
You're welcome.
Genzapka.
Bravo, Nufar.
Yeah.
You remember all
know.
those?
I know those.
Yay! Yes, you do know those. Please.
Those are very important when it comes to doing chores.
Very.
Please
in everything.
and thank you. Right?
In everything. But especially when
when you're doing chores.
All right, you guys. So up next, I'm gonna say some phrases in English and Tigrinya, and then you're gonna repeat the Tigrinya part.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. Well, Owa.
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 Please clean the house. Bejaha geza azriyo.
Bejaha geza azriyo.
Wash dishes. Ahohet azriyo.
Aquahat azriyo.
Make the bed. Arat antsufo.
Arat ansufo.
Water the plant. Atakhilti mai astiyo.
Atahuti mai asteo.
Fold the clothes. Kidawanti itzafo.
Kirawinti itzafo.
Take out trash. Guahaf outsayo.
Guahaf asayo.
I will pay you. Kakafleka iye.
Kakafleka iye.
Yes.
Kakafleka iye.
Yes.
Is that good?
Feed the dog. Kelbi megbi habo.
Kelbi megbi habo.
Don't be lazy. Hukui aituhun.
Hukui ai tuhun.
Yes, don't be lazy.
Hukui ai tuhun.
All right, so now we're gonna quiz Robil. You ready?
I hope so. Oh,
You got this. Chore.
Chore. Eyo geza.
Yes. Good job. Shower.
Mehetsabi nepsi. Mehesabi nepsi.
Good job.
Mehesabi nepsi.
Laundry.
Laundry. Beat hetspo.
Good job. Clean.
Clean. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Tsuru, yes.
Sorry. Sorry.
Kitchen.
Kushne.
Yes, kitchen.
Kushne. Kushne. Kushne.
Cook.
Kushne.
Kashani.
Kashani.
Good job. It's kind of similar. Pot.
Pot. Etro.
Yes. Good job. Pan.
Pan. Badila.
Adela. Yes.
Badela.
Perfect. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Kusri? Kusri?
Kursi.
Kursi.
Yeah.
Kursi.
Kutsri is number.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Lunch.
Lunch, misa.
Dinner.
Dinner, darar.
Water the plants.
Water the plants. Ata holti mai asteo.
Yeah.
Ata holti mai asteo.
Yes. Feed the dog.
Feed the dog, kelbi, megbi, habo.
Yes.
Kelbi, megbi, habo.
Yes. Robin, please take out the trash.
Guahaf, atsawayo.
Sure. Robin, how do you
what?
say laundry in Tigrinya?
Biat hitsabo.
Nufot. Robin, how do you say fold the clothes in Tigrinya?
Kirawinti itsabo.
Hit. Okay. Robin, I would like you to make the bed, but first I want you to say it in Tigrinya.
Arat ansufo.
Yes, Nufot. So next phrase is gonna be, I will pay you. And how do you say it in Tigrinya? I will pay you.
I'll pay you.
Yes.
Kekefleki iye.
Uh-huh.
Or
Nufot.
kekefleka iye.
Yes.
Kekefleki iye.
Daddy wants to pay you. So yes. Next phrase is gonna be, don't be lazy.
Okay.
And I want you to say that in Tigrinya.
Hu kui I tuhun.
Perfect.
Hu kui I tuhun.
Robila,
A bit.
نصرعك خيري
Harai.
بجاها أتاخلتي مع استيو
Harai.
بجاها كداون تعصفو
Harai.
بجاها أوحد حصبو
Harai.
غني لي سلام عليكم.
Salam. Delina Megbi Abli Aya.
بجاها حلف ما بكلاسكم تو.
Selam. Hi. Bezas.
Salam. Geza Azraeli Bejeki.
Alright.
Kefuleki Iye.
Alright. Anyele.
Ya Anyele.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hey guys, all right, so we are all done. I hope you love this segment. How was it? Did you like it?
Oe.
Oh, wonderful. So we appreciate you guys, and until next time, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave us a comment, give us ideas if you want us to bring it to you. And say bye, Delu. Ciao. See you next week.
Bye.